All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018. That's right, folks. It says 2018 Ford Transit. It is a 250 long wheelbase, high top, with 35,000 miles. Beautiful white with gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system. You got backup camera, power windows, power door locks. Super nice, and best of all, remember damage to go real quick. Your front bumper, it's pretty darn nice. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. These are front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread is just over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter, checking it out, looks really nice. I don't see anything dents or anything on it. This front rear driver's steel wheel. And your tire thread back here is under 430 seconds. Just a line under 430 seconds. Let me double check that, make sure not some crap talking. No, I must have had this in the wrong spot. Over 630 seconds. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does have power windows right there. Jump in here, turn it on for you guys. Check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Does come with one key fob combo in owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Get your AM/FM stereo system right here. AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. That's it. Boom. Very nice. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for a tire pressure and your mileage of 35,074. Nice. Bit it moving. Coming around. Rear bumper, doors. This one here looks pretty good. This one here has a dent, so you can see it right here. 3, 6, about 9 inches. Another little ding right there. That's about it. But on the top there is a dent right there on that door. Alright. Coming around. This. Open this side. Oh wow, that is clean. Clean vehicle right here, folks. Looks good inside. I don't see any problems or complications. You got a wheel wells look good, shiny. It's good. This door, it's very good. Boom. On the top, you look good too. This one here looks very nice. Just that dent up there. Get the ladder. Let's see what we got going on up here. So it's a high top. Could be damages up here and there. It's not that I can see. There's a dent right here. Boom, from there to there. The rest of it looks good. Yep, the rest of it looks really good. Alright, perfect. Right over here, this quarter seems to have a heavy stretch way up there. Hard to see, but it's probably there. The rest of it looks pretty good. The dent on the sliding door right here, about 2 inches. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. The tire thread is just under 630 seconds. I got 2 little dings, 1, 2, and a heavy scratch here with a dent really. Sliding door works perfect. Side compartment, side cargo area looks great. The floors look good, nice and clean. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. And tire thread here is over 730 seconds. Pretty much completes our tour, folks. Lights are working, car is running. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a 2018 Ford Transit T-250 high top long wheelbase with the what did they say? 35,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.